Good morning students. Today we start exercise 3.4. Here the first question is, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. In this question we have to tell about the situation is certain to happen means we are sure about the situation. Impossible means the situation is not possible, and can happen but not certain means situation may be or may not be possible. Now the first part is, you are older today than yesterday. This situation is certain to happen. We are sure about this situation because our age is increases day by day. So this is certain to happen. So when we flip the coin, two situation arises, head and tail. So total events we have head and tail means two events, two outcomes. This is total outcomes. Because when we toss a coin, two situation arises. It may be head or it may be tail. So it is not possible a tossed coin will land always heads up. It may be two situations, head and tail. Next third part is, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on a top. This situation is impossible because a die contain 6 numbers. Next fourth part is, the next traffic light seen will be green. This situation is can happen but not certain. It may be possible or may not be possible, but not certain. We are not sure about it. Next, fifth part is, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. This situation is also can happen but not certain. Second question is, there are 6 marbles in a box with numbers from 1 to 6 marked on each of them. First part is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Probability means we have to find the possibilities or chances, means how many chances are there for 2 to come. Now I have 6 marbles, so we have to find the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. So there is only one chance because I have only one marble with numbering 2. So there is only one chance for 2 to come. So formula for finding the probability is favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes. These are called outcomes or events. So favorable outcomes are the outcomes that how many times an outcome occurs. So here we have to find the probability of coming 2. So 2 come only one time. So favorable outcomes is 1, and total number of outcomes we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and total outcomes we have 6. So probability of finding the 2 is favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes, or favorable event divided by total number of event. Here is favorable event is 1 divided by total number of events we have 6. So probability of coming 2 is 1 by 6. And second part is your homework. Next third question is, a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? In this question we have to find the probability that our team will start when we flip the coin. So when we flip the coin, two situation arises, head and tail. So total events we have head and tail means two events, two outcomes. This is total outcomes. So in this question two situation arises. First case is when our team choose head. When my team choose head, so favorable outcome means chances of coming head is 1. So probability of coming head is favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. Favorable outcome is head comes one time and total number of outcomes is 2. Next case second is when our team choose tail. Here in this case, when my team choose tail, here the favorable outcomes, tail comes only one time. So favorable outcomes in this case similarly 1. So probability of coming tail is favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Here is also 1/2.